Hello everyone, this is Darshan S, Student Placement Coordinator ECE, Batch 2021. Today's topic is HCF and LCM. Today we will be seeing problems related to HCF and LCM and the formulas to solve it. HCF, the highest common factor, is the greatest number which divides two or more numbers with remainder 0. It is also called as GCD, greatest common divisor. LCM, the least common multiple, is the smallest positive integer which can be divided by both the numbers with remainder 0. Today we will be seeing problems on HCF and LCM. The problems on HCF and LCM are quite simple and can be done by 15 to 20 seconds if you know the formulas and if you are good in calculations. Now let's see examples for HCF and LCM. Let's say if you want HCF for 48, 64 and 72, take a number which divides all the three. Let's say 4, it will be 12, 16 and 18, and let's say 2, it is 6, 8 and 9. Now there is no single number which divides all the three numbers, so let's stop at this moment. Then the HCF will be 4 into 2, that's 8. And if you want to find the LCM of three numbers, let's say 40, 48 and 45, take a number such as 4, it is 10, 12 and 45, and 2, 5, 6 and 45. Dividing by 5, it's 1, 6 and 9, and then by 3, it's 1, 2 and 3. To get the LCM, multiply all the numbers in the left hand side, that is 8, 40, 120, 240 and 720. So LCM will be 720. So now let's see the problems on LCM and HCF in a simpler way. Okay. Problem number 1. What least number when divided by 36, 24 and 16 leaves 11 as remainder in each case? Looking at the question, it says least number, so this question refers to LCM. So let's first find the LCM of 36, 24 and 16. Let's say 2, 18, 12 and 8. Let's say 2 again, it's 9, 6 and 4. Now taking 2, it is 9, 3 and 2. Divided by 3, it is 3, 1 and 2. So the LCM will be 4, 8, 24, 48, 48 into 3, that is 144. So the LCM is 44. The question says leaving 11 as remainder. So since the LCM is 44, if you divide 144 by all the three numbers, the remainder will be 0. So it's given the 11 is the remainder. So just add the remainder with the LCM you get. The number will be 155. This is the answer. Now let's see the second type of questions which can be asked in placement tests. Most of the questions regarding HCF and LCM will be on the main formula, that is product of two numbers will be equal to the product of HCF and LCM of the two numbers. So let's see the problems on this formula. The next question is the ratio of two numbers is 5 to 6 and their LCM is 480. What is their HCF? So since the formula says the product of two numbers A and B will be equal to product of the HCF and LCM. So let's say if the two numbers are 5A is to 6A, so A will be the common factor. Since A is the common factor, A will be the HCF of two numbers. So the question says the ratio of two numbers is 5 to 6. So the two numbers are 5A and 6A. And it's given LCM is 480 and HCF is A. So solving this, it gives 30A will be equal to 480. So A will be equal to 16. So the HCF is 16. So all the problems regarding HCF and LCF based on this problem can be solved in the similar way. The next problem is HCF and LCM of two numbers is 8 and 96. The sum of these numbers is 56. What is the sum of their reciprocals? So since the formula says the product of two numbers A and B will be equal to the product of HCF into LCM. So the product of HCF and LCM is 8 into 96 will be equal to A into B. So it is asked the sum of the reciprocals. So it's 1 by A plus 1 by B. Solving gives A plus B divided by A into B. So it's given the sum of their numbers is 56. So it is 56 divided by A into B. So since the product of their numbers is equal to the product of HCF and LCM, we can directly write 56 by 8 into 96. Solving, we get we get 7 by 96. Similar way, we can calculate the HCF of fractions given by HCF of the numerator divided by LCM of the denominator. So summarizing all the formulas we have learned today, if you have all these formulas and if you are good in calculation, you can solve all the HCF and LCM problems within 10 to 15 seconds. Thank you.